How to use Connecteam tutorial for beginners. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Connecteam. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Connecteam, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Connecteam, it is an all-in-one employee management platform designed to streamline operation and improve productivity for businesses with deckless workers, in which the platform offers a range of features including task and project management, employee scheduling, time tracking, customizable forms and checklists, communication tools, training and onboarding, resources, file sharing, and document management. And aside from that, Connecteam integrates with various third-party apps such as Gusto for payroll and benefits management, Google Drive for file storage and sharing, and any other third-party application. And now to get started, we could also click the Start 14-day free trial button right here, or click this button on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, we will be able to be directed on this page. Then from here, to start creating our account, all we need to do is simply fill out all of the required information, including our first name, last name, business email to create a password, and answer their question. Then just proceed by clicking Let's Go button below here. After signing in, you will be able to be directed on this page, in which all you need to do is to simply enter your company name, and also to enter your job title or your role in your company. Then just proceed by clicking the next step button below here to proceed. And after that, from here, all you need to do is to simply enter how many employees do you have and what is your business industry in here. We have here cleaning, security, healthcare, manufacturing, and many more. Then click next step button to proceed, in which the next thing that you need to do is simply add the right features to your app. We have here for operations, communication, and HR and sales. After selecting your answer, just click the next step button to proceed in here. Then you could also upload your own logo if you want to, but I'm going to skip this part. Then just enter your mobile phone number in here. And then proceed by clicking Access Dashboard button below here. And now that we are on the dashboard of Connecteam, you will see here on the website panel some of the options that you can start navigating. We have here Overview, Activity, Users, Smart Groups, Communication, and many more. And as you can see on this overview, it will show you a comprehensive view of employee progress and form submissions. This feature allows manager to quickly track which employees have submitted forms and which have not, enabling them to follow up to those who have not submitted by sending customized notifications. In which you will see here on the right side panel also some of the milestone and also daily activity below here. Aside from that, you could also do or navigate the quick action to add user, add admins, add task, or even send an update. Moving on, aside from overview option, you could also navigate here on the left side panel this activity option. By clicking on it, it will show in here the list of activity that has been done. This option provides a comprehensive view of recent activity on the account, in which it allows managers to track various actions taken by employees including login history, time clock activity, job schedule updates, form submissions, and many more. Now moving on, we could also navigate here on the left side panel the users, in which it serves a centralized hub for managing employee profiles and accessing key information about each user. And this feature allows administrators to view and edit personal details such as email addresses, birthdays, and emergency contacts for each employee. So below here, it will show you the number of archive users and also admins in here, in which it also provides access to company-related information like job titles, departments, and direct managers. Now moving on to the smart groups, by simply clicking on it on the left side panel, from here it will show us that this option is very helpful for organizing employees into specific groups based on customizable rules, and these groups can be created for different departments, locations, skills, or any other criteria that fits the company's needs. Now moving on, we could also navigate here under communication, this chat, updates, directory, events, and many more, in which most of the option under communication is designed to streamline internal communication and enhance employee engagement. And by clicking this plus add new button right here, we'll be able to show us some other options that we could also navigate, such as knowledge base, text messages, and surveys. We could also navigate HR skills right here by clicking on it. We have here quizzes, recognitions, rewards, documents, and courses. Now moving on, aside from communication, we could also navigate here on the left side panel this operations option, which it is designed to streamline and simplify business processes, particularly for logistic and operations companies. We could also add here forms, quick task, time clock, and many more. Since this quick task, by simply clicking on it, it will show us on the right side panel in here that we can start creating or adding a quick task in here. And below here, it will show you the use of quick task too in order to break down projects with subtasks, and also add labels, checklists, files, contacts, and many more. Now moving on the left side panel, we could also navigate here this HR and skills option right here, in which it is designed to simplify various HR processes, ensuring compliance and enhancing employee engagement. As you can see, we have here celebrations and time off, and we could also add here courses, rewards, quizzes, and recognitions, in which this option ensures compliance, making it an essential tool for managing non-desk teams effectively. And now, aside from those section, we could also add section if you want to by clicking this add section button below here. Then just enter the name of the section that you want it to be. And after that, you could also click this add new to add time clock, forms, and other feature. Now moving on, aside from those options that we can find and navigate on the left side panel, we could also navigate some other option on the top right corner, including these accessibility options right here, this live webinars if you want to, and if you also want to get an assistance, we can do so by clicking this help, any of the choices to watch video tutorials or visit help center. And also by clicking this chat, it will show you in here all of your conversation with employees, in which it is designed to facilitate efficient and instant communication among employees. And aside from that, you can navigate also these notifications to get notified by any updates within this platform. And aside from that, you could also navigate here your profile settings by simply clicking on your profile. From here, you could also start to switch to users views, navigate the settings, notifications, perk marketplace, and even sign out on this platform. And now, to add new users, just click the users option on the left side panel, and from here, just click this add users button right here. Or alternatively, you could also export or import manually in here. But in those options, I'm going to choose to add manually by clicking this add manually button. It will show you on this pop-up window that all you need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information, such as the first name, last name, mobile phone number, and email address of a person that you want to add as a user. Then click the confirm button to proceed. And as you can see here, you could also add unlimited users if you want to in here. Now going back on this page right here, aside from users, you could also add an admins by doing the same process by clicking this add admins button right here. Then fill out all of the required information on this page. And after that, you'll now be able to add an admins by filling out the assigned groups, first name, last name, email, and any other required info in here. Now going back on this page right here, we could also navigate this archive to see all of the archive, contact, or users on this page. And aside from adding a users or contacts on this page, we could also navigate or start creating a forms by clicking on forms under operations. It will show you on this right side panel by simply clicking this go to forms button right here. You can start creating your own forms by clicking this add new button right here. Or we could also export from our computer files. And by clicking this add new button, it will show us the option to start from scratch or use templates. So let's say I'm going to start or use templates. And then from here under template library, just simply choose the template that you prefer. Then proceed by clicking select this template button right here. So as you can see, just choose personal info update. And from here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply customize some of the field that contain on this template. In which, as you can see here, we have here addresses, mobile phone number, email address, and any other field. And as you can see, we could simply choose to edit, copy, or even delete this kind of field. And by clicking this edit, we'll be able to be directed on this pop-up window, where we can also check these boxes if you want for a specific field to be required. And after that, if you see here on the right side panel of how it looks like, it will show you that the mobile phone has now been considered as required. And to save the changes, we could also click the save button below here to proceed. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Connecteam. Thank you.